Assalamu alaikum to all my dear viewers. I am Professor Shoaib Hashmat with a YouTube channel, namely English Innovator. I'm really thankful to all of you for watching my previous lectures on present tenses, and the last lecture was on past indefinite tense. So I request to all of you for watching my channel from beginning to end, and like, share and subscribe it. So our today's topic is on past continuous tense. So let's start it. So my today's lecture will consist of, first of all, the definition of past progressive or past continuous tense, and then I will discuss its various uses, and then there will be construction of continuous tense, and in the end we will discuss with the negative and interrogative sentences and the passive voice of past progressive as well. So first of all, start with its definition. So as the title suggests, that past continuous or past progressive tense describes an ongoing action in the past. For example, I was reading a book. So it's an example of past continuous tense. Now come to the various uses of past progressive tense, means where this tense is used in our daily or practical life. So there are few points I will discuss over here. So the very first use of past progressive tense is that it is used to describe a past action in progress. For example, he was playing hockey. The enemies were fighting. So these two examples are here to describe that it shows a past action in progress. So coming towards the second use of past progressive, that it is used to describe an action in progress when the second action happens. For example, he was walking down the street when it began to rain. Or the second example is, they were chatting happily when I reached. So the third use of past progressive tense is that it is used to describe future planning. For example, he was packing the luggage when he was to go to Lahore. Or he was reading a book to pass the examination. And the last use of past progressive tense is that it is used to describe consistent habits in the past. For example, he was always losing the books, or I was always preparing for the examinations. So these are the prominent or the important uses of past continuous or past progressive tense. I think the uses are clear to all of you. Now coming towards the next part of my lecture, that is its construction. So far as the construction is concerned, we use subject in the beginning, then the helping verbs are was or were, and we use ing form of verb, and in the end there is object. For example, I was reading a book. So I is subject, was is helping verb, then I was reading. Reading is ing form, and in the end a book. I was reading a book, or he was playing hockey. So these are the two examples. Now the negative and the interrogative sentences. Here I would like to discuss that we use not in the negative sentences, and we use was or were in the beginning, means before the subject. He was not reading a book, he was not playing cricket or hockey. So if we make interrogative sentence of it, so was he reading a book or was he playing hockey or cricket? So this is all about the uses, the construction of past progressive. Now coming towards the passive voice of past progressive tense. So far as past progressive tense is concerned, we use being over here, whereas the other changes remain the same as I told you in my previous lectures. For example, he was reading a book. A book was being read by him. She was washing dishes. Dishes were being washed by her. So this is a simple construction of passive voice in the past progressive tense. So in the end, I request you all to watch my video from beginning till end, and like, share and subscribe it. Thank you very much. So wait for my next lecture on past perfect tense. Thank you very much. God bless you all. Allah.